How to add Revolut to Samsung Pay. First, download Revolut application from Google Play Store or App Store. Open your Samsung shop or app and head straight to checkout. When you reach the payment page, you'll see different payment options. Scroll down until you see the credit or debit card option. We're using the debit card option. Now, tap on the debit card option. Next, it's time to enter your card details. To do this, switch over to your Revolut app. In the Revolut app, log in and navigate to your card section. Here, you can choose your standard card or, if you prefer, apply for a virtual card. Once you select your card, tap on Show Details to reveal your card number and other important information. Simply copy these details, paste into this payment page here, and then proceed with the checkout. That's it. Thanks for watching.